Intense heat in the morning, cold temperatures and rains in the evening. That's part of the struggle of residents affected by floods as they live inside tents in Barangay Guadalupe and Carmen, Davao del Norte. They also lament the absence of power supply. Another problem is the lack of relief supplies. For Benjamin Nicoleta, a senior citizen and solo parent, the food packs they receive are not enough.
Kahit kaunting tulong lang, bigas ang amin. Kahit na wala kaming ulam, yung bigas ko, 25 na kilo. Basang-basa, wala din na makitlang apit. Sana kaunting tulong lang po. Yun lang ang hinihingi namin sa inyo.
The local government admits its standby relief goods have been depleted after 2 successive intense floods. They thank private companies and other groups for their donations. The Davao del Norte PDRMO said its calamity fund is almost depleted after being used up last month due to the impact of the shear line.
Ang province is talagang in dire need talaga yung immediate need nila ay pagkain. Kasi yung naipamigay namin dahil nga sa napakaraming affected na population is ang kaya lang talaga for the meantime para ma-answer ang need ng pagkain. Good for 2 days.
Some residents in Carmen are still waiting for the flood waters to subside. But many have started cleaning the mud and dirt in houses and establishments, just like in some parts of Barangay Tuganay.
Masakit sir, talagang masakit. Kaya lang wala tayong magawa dahil trahedya. Back to zero. Hindi namin alam kung kailan kami makakaahon. Kung bahala na sir, bahala na ang Diyos sa amin.
In Davao de Oro, a portion of the national highway in Barangay Sawangan was closed after the concrete roads sustained cracks.
Nakita namin na ito yung epekto sa bago lang lindol. Sumunod si shear line. Yun, parang yung mga crack na ginawa ng lindol, napasokan ng tubig, kaya nabuntis, pumutok.
Additional funds are needed in Davao de Oro for relief assistance and aid for agricultural and infrastructure rehabilitation.